Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. We have arrived at MRG in Salmiya. Let's head inside and see what they have in store. Look at these amazing items. Some of my favorite stores to find the best deals. Stationery, kids items, toys and games, home decor, beauty and accessories. That's it for today's shopping adventure. We found some amazing deals and picked up some great items. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Which item was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel for more shopping vlogs. Hit the bell icon so you never miss my video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!